Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Mailchimp account. First, navigate to the Mailchimp website and locate the Sign Up Free button. You will then be prompted to enter your email address, create a username, and set a secure password. After submitting these details, Mailchimp sends a verification email. Simply open that email and click the provided link to activate your new account. This crucial first step takes only a few minutes to complete. Once your account is active, the next step involves providing essential business information. You will need to enter your business name and a physical address, which is a legal requirement for email marketing. Next, describe your business type and industry. This helps Mailchimp personalize your experience and suggest relevant tools. Finally, you will be asked if you already have an audience list, which you can import later. With your business details in place, it is time to build your audience. If you have an existing list, you can easily import contacts using a CSV file or by connecting to other services. For new subscribers, Mailchimp allows you to create customizable sign-up forms that you can embed on your website or share directly. Remember, a well-organized audience, segmented into relevant groups, is key to successful email marketing efforts. Now for the exciting part, sending your first campaign. Mailchimp offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor to help you design beautiful emails without any coding. Choose your desired audience, then decide whether to send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a later time. After sending, explore other powerful features such as creating landing pages, setting up automated email series, and analyzing detailed campaign performance reports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.